We've been specializing in employee vegetable garden programs for major corporations to sort of transform the workplace. We want to de-stress the work environment by providing a grounded and kind of healthy alternative, sustainable activity for people to do. Get your hands in the ground, get away from the desk, get out in the sunlight for a few minutes and engage with something natural, a natural process. We design and build vegetable gardens based on the available space at each campus. Each location offers a different set of parameters for successful growing. You really need full sun, you need access to irrigation, and you need some willing participants. We start with a design, we build a garden, and then we educate regularly throughout the season. So we're here to answer people's questions every week so that people are comfortable with the process and they have a successful first garden. They take this, they start a garden at their house, they are then producing their own food at home. We're all changing the system together.